In this video clip, we learn how to use the cumulative distribution function to fit given cumulative probabilities using at risk. So we are given data, we are given here 5 values, and the cumulative probability for each value. We also given the minimum and the maximum. So here we click distribution, continues, and we pick cumulative and select distribution. Here for the X table, we use A2 through A5. And for the P table, cumulative probability, here we are using B2 through B5. And for the minimum, A6. For the maximum, we use A7. Here we obtain the cumulative distribution function for the given probabilities and values. Also, we can see the statistics are given here. We can also change the views, so like probability density, and we can move here the values to find the probability between any two values fitting the given information. Be careful here. So for any two values, we are using a straight line to fit the probabilities or cumulative probabilities.